I'm the guy, like 100% dude. But I was born in a girl's body.
Gracie Torres!
What else could go?
Aren't you Torres?
Sometimes I'd
When I was her, I used to burn myself. That's how I let the
somewhere
anger.
and lock the door. A single
Sorry, I'm not playing dress up for
but
anyone.
not
I'm an FTM, female to male transgender.
tomorrow's another day.
Cool.
And I'm thirsty anyway. So
I
bring
want to introduce Grams to Adam
on
tonight. Then don't come.
It's almost like the hard times circle round.
What the hell? Are you a girl?
A couple drops and they all start coming down. Yeah, I might feel defeated and I might hang my head. I might be barely breathing, but I'm not dead, no. 'Cause tomorrow's another day.